In the previous videos, I'll show you how to use CapCut for free. Of course, no hacks, no cracks. That is when we use our version of CapCut, and it is provided by CapCut. It's legal 100%. When we use our version of CapCut like a 1.4.0.188, we can use for free. However, there are not many effects you can use. There are not many things you can do for your video. In this video, I'll show you a way to use the latest version of CapCut for free. Of course, no hack and no crack. And now I need you to follow my step. First of all, you need to click on Settings on the top, Settings, and drop and say to change another location where you can find easily. And in my case, I would choose D drive, and I have a folder for it. And that is the place for drop videos. And now save. And we'll come back to this folder later. And now create a new project. And I'll add some pictures. Now I would use all the effects, Pro effects from CapCut. I'll use transition effects, text, and many other things. Now I have everything. I have effects, I have transitions, all of them are Pro functions, Pro effects. And now the last thing to do is to export the video. Of course, I did not log in. I did not a Pro version. So as you can see that there are many Pro effects I am using, and now I cannot export. I have to join Pro, and now we need to go back. I'll show you a way to export this video without Pro version. First, highlight all the items in the project. Right click, choose Create Compound Clip, and now all the items are turned into a video. Now right-click again on the video. Choose Pre-Process Compile Clip. With this action, we will export a draft video. As you can see, it's processing. And now we need to find out where it is. Remember the draft folder I told you at the beginning of the video. I'll go back to my D drive, CapCut Pro free, CapCut drafts. First of all, I will need to know the name of this project because maybe there are many projects in the draft folder, and the name is of this project is 0702. So I just need to go back to folders and find this project here. 0702. Of course, I have only one because I just created the draft folder and resources combination folder, and here we have this video. This video is a draft version. However, this full video with all the effects, all pro effects. So enjoy your CapCut.